Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to add symbol in Metatrader 4 mobile application. To add a symbol in the Metatrader 4 app, launch open the Metatrader 4 application first and make sure that you're logged in. After you're signed in, tap on the Codes tab, which is located at the bottom left. Once you're inside the Codes tab, tap on the plus button at the top right. You will then come across the Add Symbol interface. In the search bar, find the symbol you want to add. After you do that, you can then click on the little plus button right in front of the symbol you want to add, and it will be added to your code list. Now get back to the Codes tab, and there you have the symbols that you just added. So that's how you can quickly and easily add a symbol in Metatrader 4. After adding the symbols in the Metatrader 4, you can significantly enhance your trading experience. So that's how it's done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more Metatrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.